She looks in the mirror, sees a story unfold, lines of laughter.
Hey, beautiful babes. Welcome back into Beauty by Sweet Angel. I am your girl, Sweet Angel, and if this is your very first time popping into the channel, hey, how you doing? Hey, look. We have a great one today, one that I have been waiting to share with y'all for some time, but you know your girl been busy. It's that time of the year. So please, if you don't want to lose this chick, what you gotta do is make sure you subscribe and smash that post notification bell. That way you'll be notified each and every time I upload. And I hope you're doing well. Yes, I hope you're doing well. I got something in store for you today and I'm excited to get to it. We're going to be talking about something you know. Girl, when you get up in age, you need to work on it. And that is neck and chest wrinkles. That's right. They're there. Yeah, they will show up when you least expect them. You can be like, where you come from? I know. Have you ever been there before? Well, I got some great simple remedies for you. They're simple but very, very powerful. So let's get right into it. Now, beautiful babes, you know that neck and chest wrinkles scare most women worse than a heart attack will. Yes, they do, because we don't want them. We don't want them. So I'm going to show you today how to give them back. Now, there's a lot of products out there that will claim that they will help get rid of neck and chest wrinkles. But you know, one of the best remedies I found is things that you have at home. Definitely things that you can use right around the house every day, inexpensive, great items. Now, one of the first things I wanted to talk about is the one thing I guess we just overlook, and I know I have recently mentioned it before. Yes, time and time again probably, and that is the use of sunscreen. Sunscreen is very useful and can actually help prevent premature signs of aging. That's right, the sun will get you, girl, if nothing else will. So make sure you start every day using your sunscreen. Definitely. So I always put this under my makeup or either any of the other ones that I have. Always use your sunscreen. Now, again, as a disclaimer, I just want to make sure that you do a patch test before using anything different on your skin, your face, your neck, anywhere. Make sure you do a patch test right there. Would be great. So let's get to the very first item that we're going to use today. Again, these are simple things that you might even have in your kitchen, easy to pick up and inexpensive. The first item we're going to talk about is avocado. From lightening the skin to tightening the skin, there is no better option than avocado. The vitamins and good fats in avocado will help you fight neck and chest wrinkles. Yes, it will. So all you need is just a half of an avocado, or just according to your preference on how you're going to mix this. So whatever you need for your neck or chest, you know, it may not be a whole lot. Half of an avocado may be too much. How much ever you need. You'll take the avocado, mash it well, and mix it with a little honey and a little milk. I actually added probably a little bit too much milk to mine, but I couldn't pour it back in the jug because I just didn't want to do that. But this is so great. You can mix it with your hands, with a spoon, or you can blend this. Whatever works for you, honey. And it's very simple. And all you have to do is just apply this mask to your face, your neck, and your chest area. Again, very simple. Wash it after it is dried, and then you'll see glowing, smooth skin instantly. And over time, those wrinkles on the neck and chest will be fading away. Avocado, babies. Now, y'all know I love oils, all kind of oils, but let me talk about two of my favorites. The next one is going to be an oil treatment. Yes, oil treatment for your neck and your chest, and even for your face. Now, we know that oil is an excellent source of moisture. To avoid wrinkles, try to massage 2 or 3 drops of jojoba or argan oil on your face, neck, and chest. Just drag it from your face to the neck and the chest area, and make sure that these places get care every time. Always take care of your face, your neck, and your chest. Now, I love jojoba oil, but argan oil is proved to be good for the skin as well. Do not, I said do not use heavy oils like coconut oil or castor oil, as those may actually clog your pores. Jojoba oil or argan oil are perfect for combating neck and chest wrinkles. Now, y'all remember Lucy. Yes, this is Lucy. This is my aloe vera plant. And any skin related issues, aloe vera got you covered. Whether it's acne, scars, or patchy skin, aloe vera works like magic. You can just apply freshly juiced aloe and use it all over the wrinkled skin areas, your neck and your chest. Now, you can easily take the gel out of the aloe vera plant and blend it up, or you can simply scrape it to get the juice and use a cotton round or cotton ball and apply it to the area. Aloe vera is great, and it will help to hydrate your skin. That is what's going to help combat those wrinkles. If you have a slight itching problem using it, don't worry, this is normal. But if it's just too bad for you, then always, just as usual, avoid using aloe vera. But fresh aloe vera juice is perfect for wrinkles. Also, you can just rub it on right from the skin of the aloe vera plant. But if you're really experiencing an itchy problem, just use the actual gel within the leaf. That's it. Perfect remedy. And next up is potatoes. Potato juice. Potato juice is used to improve the skin tone, and it gives your skin a fresher look. It does. Just use the juice from a potato and apply it to those targeted areas. Again, your face, your neck, and your chest. Simply leave it on, and after about 15-20 minutes, rinse it off. And you'll see a noticeable change in your skin instantaneously. This is potato juice. Very simple. I just chop mine up, peel it, chop it up, and you can put it in the blender, blend it up just a little bit, enough where you can mash it with a spoon in a strainer and get the juice out of it. This is a simple remedy for neck and chest wrinkles. I told you this was going to be simple, y'all. And then we're going to go on to one that I talk about all the time on this channel, and that's egg whites. Now, y'all know I talk about egg whites. How often? Every couple of weeks. Egg whites are the ish. Yes, they are. Let me tell you. Egg whites are commonly used for making skin wrinkles disappear. We've talked about it. I have a video that I'll link in the description or as well in the iCard above. But let me tell you this, just be patient while using it as a natural treatment to combat wrinkles. Everything takes time, but it will work. You will see a difference. Just give it some time. All you have to do is take the egg white, beat the egg nicely into a thick paste, or if you're lazy like me, I just like to go ahead and put it in my blender and blend it up till it becomes a little frothy, and then I'll apply it to my face. Yes, and then after 20 minutes, wash it off. It's really cool, and it will look like a little bubble mask at first, and that's cool, but once it dries down somewhat, you are in business. Just rinse it off and use this as often as you like. Any of these little remedies as often as you like. Every day if you have time, every couple of days, that would be perfect. And y'all, these are just simple remedies that you can do right at home of items that you already have in your kitchen, in your cupboard. It's so great, and one that I didn't just show you point blank, but it's in the other remedy that we use for the avocado. That is milk. Milk has every type of nutrient in it. You can drink it or you can apply it to your skin. Yes, you can. Just simply use a cotton pad. Just apply it to your face, your neck, and your chest, and you will see amazing results. And y'all already recall back in the ancient days, ladies, they used to take milk baths. Really, milk baths. And you'll be amazed at what milk will do for the skin. Remember, I also apply milk to my hands. That's right. It's great for wrinkles. It's great for softening and brightening the skin. Now go ahead and try these simple remedies. You will be amazed at them. Now make sure you always start with clean, fresh skin. Always start with clean, fresh skin. And you already know, to help your skin look as great as possible, eat great foods, things that are really nutritious for maintaining good health, and how you feel on the inside will reflect on the outside. Try to kick those bad habits, not heavily indulging in alcoholic beverages. Also, try to get rid of the smoking, and you'll see a difference, and you will see some glowing skin. Make sure you get plenty of rest, girls. That's what I'm telling you, plenty of rest. I know sometimes I'll be missing in that department because I have a lot going on, but try to get plenty of rest, drink plenty of water, and you'll get some glowing, fabulous, fabulous skin, I assure you. But everything takes time, so be patient. And y'all already know, I surely hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, girls, please, beautiful babes, give it a big thumbs up. Please make sure you drop any comments down below in the comment section. If you don't have anything to say, y'all know I love me some hearts. Yes, I do. Drop me some hearts right in the comment section. Love it so much. And beautiful babes, if you have not subscribed, it's a great time to do it right now. It's free. It's always free. Go ahead, subscribe, smash the post notification bell, and beautiful babes, you know what to do. Share me with your world, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.
Lift your voice, let it be heard. You're a queen, you're the one. It doesn't matter your age, you can still be that girl. Living your truth, letting love unfurl. Time can't define you, nor set you apart. You're forever